Florence's heart beats in stone. The Opera del Duomo Museum shelters the original soul of the city's great cathedral complex, Michelangelo, Donatello, and a lineage of master craftsmen whose work shaped the skyline. As you wander through the rooms, you'll encounter centuries of history cast in marble and plaster, unfinished sketches that reveal the hands and minds behind the magic, models that chart how Florence grew, and a collection of tools that once lived in the workshops of the Duomo. It's a place where every fragment tells a story: the weight of a statue, the curvature of a leg, the careful alignment of architectural dreams. This museum isn't just about looking back. It's about understanding how Florence built itself, from the first sketch to the finished façade. And just steps away waits the cathedral, the Baptistery, and Giotto's bell tower, inviting you to walk the same streets where these works were born. It's a reminder that great art is made through patience, collaboration, and a shared love of place.